Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, let me check it first and see what's up.
Sure.
You have your key? Alright.
I'm not too far away from you, am I?
Okay. No. It's close by. Yeah. It's easy to find.
Yeah, there's times that you can, if my grandson's sitting in the shotgun
Yeah.
and he'll kick it,
Yeah.
it'll go on a little.
A little, huh?
Very little.
So it's more likely the blower motor.
And you know what? I know this sounds nuts, but
Yeah.
sometimes I use my little umbrella
Yeah.
there in the end of it and kick it, hit it with that, and it'll come on a little bit.
Let me pull it out and I could go and get it. Let me take it out first.
Sure.
All right.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah. Test it first. Wait, hold on. I think I'm doing it wrong. Okay, right here. Get 4 and 3. 0.4. And then 4 and 2, 4 and 2, point, then 4 and 1, 2.3. Alright. Ooh, that's dead. Let's put it the other way. Let's see. it is a blower motor. It's good that I test the resistor.
Okay.
So I direct the battery to this, and it just won't turn.
Okay.
I'll put it back. All right. I locked it up, and I got your keys. How long you been retired?
Well, 10 years, but
10
not
years?
by choice. So do you ever deal with Rock Auto? Do you ever?
Yeah, I get some parts from there.
But do you think AutoZone's the best way to go?
Yeah,
about
because if it ever goes out, and they, we gotta ask, is this lifetime or?
Okay.
Because what if it goes out just the next day? You can just return it. In Rock Auto, they guarantee it, but you have to send it back for them to send another one.
Right, you have to pay shipping.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah.
Because your car will be down. Like I did a power steering rack, and the car was down. It was on my driveway.
Yeah.
I'm like, man, I have to wait for 1 week. See?
Oh, it took that long.
Yeah,
to get
for me to send it back, and then they're gonna send it back.
Oh, yeah.
So that's the reason.
Okay.
So that's the reason why I say it's better just to get local. If anything happens, they're gonna switch it then and there.
Got it. Okay. It's hard, Angel, because I have been taken twice on this blower motor.
Really?
Oh, yes. Twice.
Wow. They didn't test it or anything like that?
No, they replaced it.
They replaced it?
Yeah. But guess what it cost me?
How much? 300?
No.
How much? 500?
And they were done with my car in way less than an hour.
Wow.
I don't know, Angel. All I
Oh my
know,
gosh, they scam the women.
they do. They scam us, and that's why my car right now, the check engine light.
Yeah, I just saw.
Right. So they checked it
Yeah,
out.
what was it?
They said it said, oh Jesus. Oh my God.
I'll get this one.
Thank you so much.
You got it? 500, that is just crazy.
But see, they see a woman coming and
Yeah.
here,
Hey, what's up, Jim?
loading up my groceries.
Alright, have a great day.
Okay, so just ring the doorbell.
I will.
Can I get your water, Angel?
Yes, please.
All right.
Thank you. Let's test it out first. Bam. It works. Oh, okay, good. Let's check the cabin. That's the cabin. Just like that. See it turn. This. There, it's good. There we go. All right.
Do I have air?
Yeah, on it. Yeah.
You know what?
Oh,
I thought I was going to have to pay $500 again, and I didn't have that kind of money.
yeah. Look at it right now. It's working in all.
Nice.
The cabin airflow guy cleaned it for you.
I really appreciate it so much.
Okay, you take care, huh?
All right, thank you so much,
Okay, you're welcome.
Angel.
Bye.
Bye-bye now.
Bye.